In this video, we're comparing Motion versus Akiflow. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Motion is quick once it's running. You connect your calendars, set your availability, and the AI schedules your tasks automatically. It reshuffles your plan if things change, so you don't need to keep adjusting it. Akiflow feels simple from the start. You drag, drop, and type, but to get the most out of it, especially for teams, you'll need to create templates and set up your integrations. Verdict: Motion is set it and forget it. Akiflow is plan it yourself. Features and functionality. Motion's main strength is AI scheduling. You enter tasks with deadlines and priorities, and it places them in your calendar automatically. It integrates well with Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, but it doesn't pull tasks from many other tools. Akiflow focuses on gathering tasks from everywhere: Slack, Gmail, Notion, ClickUp, Asana, Trello, and more, into one inbox. From there, you decide when to schedule them. It won't plan your day for you, but it gives you complete control. Verdicts: Motion wins for removing the decision-making with AI. Akiflow wins for collecting tasks across platforms. Pricing: Motion's AI workplace plan is $19 per user per month billed annually. The AI employees plan is $29 and adds advanced AI roles. There's also an enterprise tier with custom pricing. Akiflow costs $19 per month billed annually, or $34 if billed monthly. Verdict: Prices are similar. The choice comes down to which features you prefer. Calendar scheduling. Motion offers booking links but blocks off important work time based on your priorities, so meetings don't disrupt focus. Akiflow also offers booking links so people can book time with you. You can set conditions like time windows or recurring shots. Verdict: Motion adds smart meeting protection. Akiflow handles the basics well. Project management. Motion also works as a basic project management tool. You can use Kanban boards, lists, or Gantt charts, see team workloads, and let AI set the right priorities. Akiflow lets you label and group tasks, but it's designed for personal planning, not deep project tracking or team collaboration. Verdict: Motion is better for teams. Akiflow is better for personal use. Design and user experience. Motion is clean but packs in more features, so it can feel busier at first. Akiflow has a clean, minimal look that's easy to navigate. The verdict: Motion wins for functionality. Akiflow wins for simplicity. Final verdict: if you want to save time on planning and let AI manage your schedule, Motion is the better fit. It works for both individuals and teams, adapts to changes, and keeps your calendar organized without constant tweaking. If you work with multiple clients and use different tools daily, Akiflow is great for pulling everything into one place and giving you full control. For most people, I recommend Motion. The AI scheduling is a real time saver, and it works just as well solo as it does in a team. I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.